Tanya. I'm from Massachusetts. 6 months or so ago, where I couldn't even hardly walk, I was just pain. It was pain every day, and had a consultation, X-rays, and they said yes, you're going to need a hip replacement when you decide to do that. And it just gets to the point where you just kind of throw up your hands and you're ready to just get rid of the pain. So you're ready to do something. So that's when I just said, you know what? Let me do some research and find out if there's some other alternatives. I had heard about stem cell therapy before in the past, so I wanted to do a little more investigation about it. And so I started doing research. I decided to go for a consultation and talk to Dr. Pearl, and she told me what to expect. And so I thought, you know what, let me try to do this before doing the alternative surgery of hip replacement, because that's ultimately the diagnosis from a doctor that is an orthopedic doctor. They want to immediately do surgery and do a hip replacement because for osteoarthritis, that's what their diagnosis is. So I thought, you know what, let me try this. It sounds like it's going to be worthwhile and it makes sense. So I did. I tried it. And I am 4 months in from the very first injection, and I don't have any pain anymore in my hip. It's amazing. I feel so much better. I can walk. I'm not in pain. It's like a miracle. And I'm so glad that I tried this, because it really made me feel so much better without having to go through the surgery. So I'm really pleased with what my outcome has been. I'm always on the go. I travel around the world for work, so I'm usually always on a plane, in an airport, walking factories, up and down stairs. Now I can do all of that, and I don't even think about it. It's like all of a sudden I have to remember, oh my gosh, was not able to do this. Now I can do this with no problem. So it's kind of like a mindset. Now you just got to take it for granted because you're not in pain anymore. And you have to really think, wow, I remember 3-4 months ago, I was in a lot of pain. The procedure, I was told all the different steps that were going to be involved. And so I was prepared, but they ended up being better than I had anticipated. Within 24 hours, that pain was over with and I was totally fine. And then there were 2 more injections after that one. So with this last one, within 6 weeks after this last one is when all of a sudden I realized I'm not in pain anymore. So it was really, it's really amazing. It's a miracle.